Greetings dear learners. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School, Jaipur, Rajasthan. I am Faculty of Moral Science at SRN International School. Today in this video, I will be explaining the topic, the folk dances of India. Let's begin with the topic. The first folk dance is Bhangra. The main Punjabi folk dance for female is Gitta and Bhangra for the both. The dance is generally performed during the Vaisakhi festival. It's very energetic dance. Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam is a classical dance form from the South India state of Tamil Nadu. Traditionally, Bharatnatyam has been a solo dance that was performed exclusively by women and expressed Hindu religious themes and spiritual ideas, particularly of Shivism. Kathakali. Kathakali is a classical dance form which originated from Kerala in 17th century. The classical dance form is another story play of art, but one distinguished by its elaborately colorful makeup, costumes and face mask wearing actor dances who have traditionally been all males. Bihu dance. The Bihu dance is a folk dance from the Indian state of Assam, related to Bihu festival and an important part of Assamese culture. Kuchipudi dance. Kuchipudi classical dance originated in a village and in modern era Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. It has roots and it developed as a religious art linked temples and spiritual beliefs. Modern Kuchipudi traditionally believes that Tirth Narayan Yati and his displeased in an orphan named Garba. Garba is a type of Indian dance commonly performed at festival and on another special occasion in the state of Gujarat, India. It is a joyful style of dance based on circular pattern and characterized by a sweeping action from side to side. Garba performance accompaniment traditionally provided by dhol and hand clapping. Ghumar. This is basically a community dance for women and performed on auspicious occasion. The famous Ghumar Rajasthan's popular dance which display the spectacular colors of the following ghagra and long skirt of Rajasthani women. The Kalbelia dance. The Kalbelia dance marks a joyful event and is a vital part of the Kalbelia culture. Kalbelia community is the nomadic tribe of Rajasthan. Their occupation is catching snake has bestowed them with the title of Jogira. Earlier, the Kalbelia men used to carry cobras in can basket and move from door to door. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.